Vice President Leni Robredo joins the club of proud parents of the graduates of 2020 amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Robredo announced on social media that her second daughter, Tricia, is now a graduate. Tricia is now a Doctor of Medicine and has a Master in Business Administration from the Ateneo School of Medicine and Public Health. On Facebook, Tricia thanked her mom and sisters for all the support. She also gave a reflection on the year 2020 and the challenge it gives to their batch.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.